Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. So you have to go to the Adobe Acrobat first, then choose one PDF you want to sign. Now you'll find here Tools option, which is top right corner. This one, Tools. Scroll down and you'll find here Sign and Fill. Click on Open. Now click on Sign Yourself. This one, click on this. And then you'll find here two options: add signature, add initials. You have to click on add signature. Now you can see three type of signature: type, draw, or you wanna put a image. You can signature by clicking on draw, instant signature. Okay, this one, if you don't like the signature, click on clear and try again. Alright, you can try again. So now if you want to put this signature, click on apply. Before clicking on apply, you can see that save signature. If you want to save the signature for other PDFs, you can save it, or if you don't want, you can draw a signature and you can just click on don't uncheck this box, then click on apply. Then you have to put the signature where you want to put. Just scroll down and you can add your signature here. Okay, you can uh, drop you can big your signature or you can smaller your signature like this. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.